As one of Ireland's most established providers of crash repairs, Mallow Accident Repair Centre completely revitalises a vehicle's bodywork after an accident. From minor dents to extensive bodywork damage, all exterior repairs will inevitably involve panel beating. Fixing a car that has sustained damage is a task that demands a significant amount of manual labour and is a job for professionals. This is especially true if you're seeking a flawless final result. Remember that your car's eventual resale value is closely tied to its visual appeal. Therefore, while you might initially save some money by attempting a DIY fix on a dent, this decision could lead to a lower selling price when you sell the car. As such, we highly recommend that if your car is damaged after an accident, you bring it to our crash repair shop. In this video, we want to outline the panel beating process. Panel beating can be divided into 7 steps. Realignment, shrinking, stretching, planishing, welding, filling, sanding, and finally, spray painting. Let's discuss each stage of the process in detail. Following an impact or accident, it's essential to realign the car before commencing body repairs. The process involves utilizing a hydraulic lift to delicately manipulate the chassis back into its proper position and alignment. In a collision repair facility, a hydraulic lift is crucial in ensuring that the chassis and other mechanical components are accurately repositioned after potential damage caused by the collision. When a panel on a car's body incurs a dent, the metal becomes distorted from its original form. To restore it, a panel beater employs techniques to contract and expand the metal until it regains its initial dimensions. This process involves the application of heat. Using a heat gun, the panel beater heats the affected surface and uses a specialized shaping hammer to mold the metal back into shape. Subsequently, the heated area is cooled using a damp cloth. The next step is to finish the panel surface. This involves finely shaping and smoothing it. The panel beater uses a special hammer to press out the damaged metal and restore the original shape. The panel is pushed against a shaping tool called a dolly or skate, which matches the original contours of the panel. Utilizing welding equipment, panel beaters effectively fuse metal components, enhancing the vehicle's overall structural integrity and robustness. On occasion, restoring a vehicle's original contours necessitates more than just panel beating. In such cases, a putty filler might be employed. This procedure entails blending a paste and carefully applying it to the vehicle's exterior. Once the paste sets and solidifies, it can be meticulously smoothed and shaped to achieve the desired outcome. The ultimate phase of the repair process involves applying a robust, chip-resistant coat of spray paint. The panel beaters will employ an exact match of the original paint color, ensuring that the bodywork restoration remains inconspicuous. The spray painting procedure occurs in a dust-free setting, employing consistent strokes from the spray gun's nozzle to prevent drips or visible lines. Following the paint application, it undergoes baking in a specialized oven. This step culminates in a factory-fresh finish that restores the vehicle's appearance to its original quality. Are you looking for quality crash repairs in Cork or Ireland? Then please get in contact with Mallow Accident Repair Centre Limited today. We repair cars, jeeps and light commercial vehicles.